So this is the mini Cinch, and it's a pretty awesome little wire binding machine. It requires no batteries. It's very easy to use. It doesn't require a ton of strength. You can use your body pressure or body strength to body weight to push down on the punch. It can do small notebooks or calendars, great gift ideas, and you don't have to use your large or buy a large binder just to use 6 or so holes. So this will, you can line it all up. You've got this little guide here that can fit into the side. You center your paper. It'll tell you here how many pages you can do at a time. You punch the holes, the row of square holes on this side. You flip it around. You put your you guide your binding through the holes, and then you squeeze your binding on this side. No batteries, so nothing to plug in. It comes in this box. This little guy is so that when you put it away, you can put it away in the closed position. I like to keep it in the storage box so I know what it is, and it keeps it dust free and easy to grab. There's plenty of room in here to add extra spirals when you buy refills. And a little pro tip, when you remove the hole punch container here, you're going to get a whole bunch of square confetti. That's a lot of fun. So depending on what color paper you've been punching, you've also got a confetti maker at the same time. So this is the mini Cinch. Hope this helps.